Welcome with Captain Rafat Wasef in FreeCodeCamp channel. We'll continue learning programming in Visual Basic. We'll learn a lot of programming languages. Let us continue in Visual Basic. After that, we'll start a new programming language. Welcoming Rafat with me. What you would like to learn, Rafat, today?
Would like to create a calculator in Visual Basic.
Would like to create a calculator by Visual Basic. It's possible? Yes, it's possible. You can create calculator, multiplication, plus division. Let us learn together how to create calculator in Visual Basic using Excel software. Let's start now. Welcome with Captain Rafat Wasef in my channel FreeCodeCamp. You will learn for free how to do programming. We start with Visual Basic programming. Why we start with Visual Basic programming? Because we use it in Excel, Access, PowerPoint, all Microsoft software. Let's start. How to create a button. It's very important skills in programming. How to create button, and when you click on the button, it action something. It will action some function for you. Okay, let us start. As you can see here, just normal Excel page. You can make any background for you, like you can change background, yellow, green, whatever. You can choose anything. Let us make it gray. Okay, after you made the background, you choose the color you want. For example, here we will make button do summation, total of two number. Let us the result here in B5. Let us make it background yellow. Here will be the result of the function. Here the first number B8. This is the cell number B8. Make the background for B8 orange. Okay, we will add the value in B8 to the value of C8. Make C8 different color. Let us green. Okay, if I put here 100 and here 50, means when I click the button will create here, I need here the total of 100 plus 50 means 150 here. Let us start create the button first. How to create the button? You have menu here in the top menu. You can see that. Yes, I can make it more clear. Home, insert, layout, new tab, formula, data, review, view. Go in the second tab, insert. You will see a lot of options. Here you select the fifth option, shapes. When you click in shapes, it gives you the recent one I used before in my program. Here the standard, rectangles, basic shapes, whatever shape you like, black arrows, equation shapes. You can choose whatever you want, any stars. Let us make this rectangle with rounded corners. You choose it, you select the location. For example, if you wanna put it here. Okay, this is our button will be top. And what we would like to do with this button? We'd like to get summation of two numbers plus number. This cell value B8 plus C8. How I know this is B8? You can look here in the top left corner, B8, here C8, and here B5 the result. Okay, because I need to do a plus, it makes sense to add plus, but plus here is small. We can select it like this with the right mouse, and here in the top, as you can see, the font and the size. You can choose size whatever you want. 24, make it in the middle top. You can make it more, even 28. Okay, not bad here. This is a plus. But if you click here, nothing happen, right? I need to add this number to this number, and the result I wanted here. It's easy. Now we create the shape, a static shape without any functionality, without any dynamic. It will do nothing. Let us go to the coding now. You go in the top menu, as you can see, go to the review menu, the last one option. Go to view macros, click in the right mouse, edit. You can see run step info edit. Here you get my programs, all the programs I created before, but we need to do a new one. Insert module. You have to start any Visual Basic program with the word sub, S-U-B. After that, put the name of the program, whatever, Rafat Plus, for example, and +2, whatever you select, Rafat +2, 2 numbers I mean. Okay, now don't forget, you want to add the value of B8 and C8, put it in B5. Okay, this is important because when you go here, you have to interpret what is B8, how you write B8 in the programming media. You cannot write just B8. In Visual Basic, you have to write range, open bracket, and P, here, P8, and close the bracket, dot value means what we need from this cell. We need the value of the cell B8 plus the value of C8, right? Range C8 dot value. Dot value means the value of this cell. We would like to add the value of B8 to the value of C8. طب where will put this value? As we agree here in B5, you go back to the code and say range put P5 dot value. We'll add it, we'll adjust it. P here, make B capital. Okay, let us review it. Range, as you can see here, range P5 is the result, will be in this cell, the total number of range of P8 plus the range of C8. The summation, the total will be included and shown in B5. And the program I call +2, Rafat +2. Okay, remember this. You go back to the program. Here, the button, if you click, nothing happens. You will see the magic now. Selected by the left button in the mouse, left mouse button, and the right one, assign macro. Here the magic will happen. When you assign macro, you assign a specific code, a specific program to run when I click in this button. And you go to Rafat +2. This is the one we created, right? Now we assigned a macro. Congratulations. We assign macro to this button. See if we click now. You see here, but the number is not shown. It's 150. But let us make the background something you can see it. Yes, plus change here the number 1000 plus 3000, click, became 4000. You see, you can do everything here. You can add here not symbol, you can add your name, you can add picture, you can change the background, as you can see here. Whatever you like the design, it doesn't matter. You can do everything as you like. And I can show that in the future. I will teach you to do a lot more. You see here, I can create form here. As you can see, form under your name. You add the value here, you save it. You can do search automatically. You can do a lot of things with Visual Basic. Don't underestimate Visual Basic. Visual Basic has a lot. You can do graphics. You can do more than this. You can do animation. a lot of things. You can do games. You can create games with Visual Basic. Let's start step by step. If you like to learn more languages, just let me know and write in the comments what you would like to see in the channel. And please, if you didn't subscribe now and share for our channel to grow. And absolutely, you will learn a lot until you reach you can create application for iPhone or Android. I will teach you, but I need to see your comment, your feedback, to encourage me to do more episode for you. And everything will be for you for free, and just we need to cooperate together to let the channel grow. And I will add more languages. I will teach you a lot, and even more software, how to use software, special software, and how to solve a technical problem for software and computers. Thank you for watching, and see you in next episode, and subscribe now. Thanks.
Do not forget to subscribe.